All right, guys, so we got some of Nature's right here, Nature's Craft Liver Support. I don't know about you, but I'm always looking to provide the proper support when it comes to my life, always looking for the right health and wellness. So with this, the liver support with milk thistle is super important because it has a cleanse and detox support within the system itself. So that is super important. It is 70 capsules. If we go ahead and flip it around, I'm going to show you the ingredients in the back. You take 2 capsules per serving, and so you have 35 servings in it. There is all the details on the back. So all kinds of things in here, from choline to milk thistle, beetroot, you got dandelion root as well. So if those things are interesting to you, that is what you're going to have in it, and you can see all the daily values with regards to it. Now, also what's cool is these are USA sourced, and which is important, so you know where the ingredients are coming from. And you can see the other ingredients down here at the bottom, which is going to be right there for it. So very important. But I'm sure what you're here for is to see what does the actual pill look like, because we don't like taking horse pills. I know that. You want to take something that is proper. Does it smell funky or anything else? And we're going to see it here for ourselves. So let's go ahead and open it up. You have a proper plastic covering, which I like that. And I do believe you have another covering on the inside, which is also making sure that you are getting a good product here. Safe and secure, little cotton ball action, soak up any nonsense, and let's go ahead and see what we are working with here. So big old pill, definitely a decent size overall. You can say it is full, and it is somewhat squishy, which I like that. It's going to release pretty quickly, and it is filled with the goodness and nutrition inside of it. Guys, that's all we got. It's pretty simple. It is something you guys should be looking into, some liver support with the milk thistle, and this whole ingredient lineup is very interesting to me. So I'm going to be testing it out and seeing if I can report back. Guys, definitely check it out.